the superposition of two waves. That means two waves are meted by at a point, then resultant wave amplitude is increases if they are in the same phase. If they are in the opposite phase, then resultant is decreases. That is called as superposition. Now, phase velocity. Phase velocity means the velocity with which planes of constant phase advance through medium is known as phase velocity. That means, okay, in the medium a wave is travel like this. A wave is travel advances this step. So it is travel if it is a same phase. Okay, same phase. Then it is called as phase velocity. That means the velocity is uniform and phase is also uniform. That is called as phase velocity. Next, a derivation for the phase velocity. Phase velocity means, so a wave is advances with the same amplitude and same frequency is called as phase velocity. So phase velocity, the equation is y is equal to a sin omega t minus kx. Here a is the amplitude and omega is the angular frequency, t is a time, and k is phase constant, and so x is the displacement along x direction. So that is omega t minus kx. Total this term is indicates that constant phase constant. Now, so this value is a constant value. Next, differentiating with respect to time, above equation, then we get this equation is if we are differentiate this equation, so then omega is it is differentiated with UV method. Omega next t is different with respect to time t. So time dt by t minus k is constant. Next x is dx by dt is equal to 0. So from this k is if we are taken to right side, then k into dx by dt is equal to omega. From this k x by dt dx by dt is equal to omega by k. That is equal to dx by dt is nothing but changing in displacement. That is a rate of change of displacement, that is a Vp. Okay, Vp is nothing but phase velocity. So phase velocity is equal to omega by k. This is a phase velocity. Next, group velocity. Group velocity means the velocity with which energy in a group is transmitted is known as a group velocity, is denoted by Vg. Okay, group velocity means suppose a single wave is traveled with some velocity with some phase. Suppose another wave is travel with another amplitude or another frequency. If these in this way plane of waves are travel, then they are meeting at point, and they are travel with they are superposition with each other. Then so they are transmitted in the air. Then resultant wave moves with some velocity, that is called as group velocity. Group velocity means, so advancement of plane of waves with different phases, so there is both all are travel with some velocity, that is called as group velocity. If a number of waves are if a number of waves of different wavelength are moving with different velocities in a medium, then the observed velocity is the velocity with which maximum amplitude of the group advances. Suppose this is a one wave, this is the another wave. Okay, in this way number of waves are, if it is present, so they are travel in the medium as a one wave, that means superposition with each other. Then what will happen here? Look at this diagram. So this is considered first wave, this is considered second wave. The first wave amplitude is wavelength is so different to a small change, different to the second wave. Y1 is amplitude, that is wavelength is high, its wavelength is less. Y2 is wavelength is less when they are superposed with each other. Look at here. So this is this wave is upward in phase. Okay, this is a downward in phase. Okay, if they are meet at each other, then what will happen? Resultant amplitude is decreases. So in this way, okay. Now, so they are at here also, they are in opposite direction, okay. Then resultant is also decreases. So look at here. So these two waves are in the same plane. These two waves are in the same plane. Then resultant amplitude here is increases, okay. Okay. Now, okay, in this way, okay, here also in opposite direction, this is upwards, this is downwards. Then so resultant amplitude slowly decreases, and at here it exactly this is a this wave phase is in downward direction, this wave phase is in upward direction. The resultant is becomes a 0, okay. So now, so here also same process like this. So in this way, the number of or a plane of waves which have different wavelengths are travel, then resultant is as a, okay, one time decreases its amplitude, and second next increases. So okay, they are travel with the group velocity, that is called as Vg. Okay. So this is the derivation of the group velocity. So that is suppose let us consider y1 is the first wave. y1 y1 is equal to a sin omega 1 t minus k1 x, and y2 is a sin omega 2 k minus k2 x. Here these two waves are not in same phase, that's why so we are mentioned omega 1 omega 2. So according to superposition principle, okay, the group velocity means okay, different waves are superposition with each other. Then resultant displacement is y is equal to y1 plus y2. Then we get y is equal to y1 is a sin omega 1 t minus k1 x plus a sin omega 2 minus k2 x. So then we are adding these two. So this is in the form of, okay, if we are taking a common a outside, then sin c minus plus sin d it is in the form. Then so what is the formula of sin c plus sin d? Sin d is equal to the 2 cos c minus d by 2 sin c plus d by 2, okay, by using that formula. So that is 2a is the formula. Next cos next this is this term, total term is c, this total term is d, okay. First cos term, in cos term minus we have to do minus, that is omega of same terms omega 1 minus omega 2, okay, by 2 c plus d by c minus d by 2 kabatti, okay, omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t minus next k1 minus k2 by 2 into x. Similarly sin term, in sin term c plus d by 2 kabatti, so sin omega 1 plus omega 2 into omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 into t. Next k1 minus, okay, k1 has minus, here also minus, we are common, take common minus, that is k1 plus k2 by 2 into x, okay. Then so after getting the simplify, we get 2a. So this is omega minus omega 2 is indicate that d omega by 2 by into t. Next here also k1 minus k2 is equal to dk by 2 into x. Remaining term is sin omega 1 plus omega 2 is taken as omega into t minus kx. Then amplitude is equal to general, okay, in this formula, okay, look at here. So this is 2a some value into sin omega t minus kx. It is in the form of equation, okay. So that is displacement equation. So here this point is indicate that amplitude, so amplitude is equal to 2a cos omega d omega by 2 t minus dk by d omega into x. So we have taken a common d omega, so that's why it is k into dk by d omega. So in place of we are this decay is taken to downwards, so it is becomes x by, so in place of d omega by dk we are substitute as a vg. So next, so after getting the simplify, vg value is equal to here d omega by dk, d omega by dk, so that is equal to omega 1 minus omega 2 by k1 minus k2. Okay, so this is the expression for group velocity.